One reason I'm here, to make you better at trading. You. I'm talking to you. If you don't think I'm talking to you and you're watching this video, I am. I'm speaking to the 30 million new traders out there that have 1 month or 1 year or 2 years or 4 years experience. Shit, there are people from a hedge fund and from Morgan Stanley that follow me. Yes, they're part of my platform. I don't discriminate. I'm 349 because I want to go out to the masses. I want to disrupt the way institutions think of retail traders. Right now, they think of you as a joke and they want to take your money. They laugh every day. I've explained this before. They go out for drinks. They think you guys know the U curve, the V curve. They sell off into you. You guys are so confused. I tell my platform members exactly what's happening in the market. It's worth it alone. Not to mention my alerts are 75% in the money. They're crush it. Justin, I have a small account, less than $1,000. I have calls for NET expiring Friday. Entry point $1.50. I gave the entry point, I think I was $1.35. Justin Chase, it's okay. We chase. We all have FOMO. You paid 10% more, so you're out 10%. I know my options are down. I think my options are down like 30%. So you're probably down 40%. How do we average down? I get that you have a small account, so you can do two things. Okay. First, you can buy with whatever money you have left. We go out 2 weeks because NET will turn around. D-Dog is strong. NET is strong. They're going to run together. I can't help that somebody unloaded 4-point-something million shares today. That just happened. If it were the opposite today, guess what happened with NET? It would have been up 8%. So I can't control what hedge funds do. But how would I average down? I thank you for the question. I would average down. I would take, let's see. So you bought a small account. You have a call Friday. You paid $150. So you entered at $150. Take the same $150. I want you to buy an option for NET out to June 18th. You go to a June 18th option. I want to find the closest one that costs $150. If you find one that costs $180, buy it. All right. If it costs $190, put in the bid 10 cents less. All right. Whatever it costs. You find one that's $2 on average right now. Put it in for $1.85 tomorrow. Always assume the morning dip. So you put in the option for $1.85. This one expires. You get the most out of it. Say you're down 30%. Your next option, your one for June 18th, I guarantee by that time, you'll be up at least 30%. So it's a smart way to average down. You're not killing yourself by a position that's currently out of the money or slightly in the money. I'm just saying, if NET doesn't explode tomorrow or move good, you want to average down the right way. When you see the biggest dip tomorrow, you buy one option out to June 18th, use the same amount of money. If it was $150, you might use a little more money. Okay, hopefully that helps. If you have a follow-up question, Justin, I'm going to remember that. You tweet me separately. You ask, why? Why? It's $5. Why? Because I care. I give a damn. It's not the money. I care. I try and answer all the questions.